Life is better when everything's protected. Resideo is trusted in 15 million homes each year, and we believe every family deserves the best. A new kind of security and life safety system that is brought together by experts. Our network of professionals are with you from the start to design the best protection, outside and in, tailored to your needs. ProSeries is designed to last with automatic software updates, secure encryption, voice control, and an extensive range of options and services that work together to take care of you. ProSeries places life safety at the center with our innovative and reliable smoke, heat, and CO detectors that trigger alarms in all rooms. So if one goes, all go, helping you get to safety and emergency services get to you. ProSeries can be monitored day and night, which means trained professionals are there to alert you or call for help if you alert them, providing the ultimate protection for you, your loved ones, and your home. Even when you're not at home, our app helps keep you connected so you can control your safety and security from anywhere. And when you get home, the system automatically knows and disarms. From smart home control to overall security, using ProSeries is easy. That's the level of security and life safety that everyone deserves. Whole home protection in the most professional way.
Make sure to subscribe to our YouTube page and click the Show More tab underneath the video where you can view valuable links pertaining to this product, similar how-to videos, and our low-cost, no-contract alarm monitoring services.